The racial turmoil has hit the Kaizer Chiefs camp. The club is struggling for results in recent time and has been plagued by tensions between black and colored players. The black players claim their colored teammates are treated better by the club's management. Above that, there are also disciplinary problems at the club, with captain Itumeleng Khune and midfielder Duduzi Mdantsane suspended for drinking on duty. Khune is facing a disciplinary hearing, with Mdantsane having completed his suspension. Khune was bussed after he was tested for alcohol at training last week and was put on suspension until his hearing on Tuesday. He had taken over the starting keeper's duties in recent weeks after the season's first choice Brandon Peterson came under pressure between the posts. Last week, Peterson was reported to be receiving psychological help. Meanwhile, Mdantsane is said to have transgressed the club rules when he was found to have been drinking at the function where Kaizer was inducted into the SA Hall of Fame. The complaints from the black players are that colored players' matters are always swept under the carpet. While their cases are dealt with harshly, it is alleged that the colored players, led by Keegan Dolly and Brandon Peterson, were allowed to leave the team hotel to go watch the Springboks rugby final, where they had a good time, something that is against the club's rules. An insider also revealed that at Motaung's function, other colored players also consumed alcohol but have not been subjected to disciplinary hearings. The Amakhosi spokesperson Vina Maposa told the Sunday World that there are issues around the player you have mentioned. We cannot confirm or release a statement until the club gives us a clearer picture and direction around the matter. We are aware that there is a matter that the football department is dealing with relating to the player. We will release a statement if there's any punitive action. Otherwise, we will be interfering with the process. As for Mdantsane, yes, he was suspended for transgressing the club rules and it is now water under the bridge. About the cliques in the camp, it has been bandied about, and I think there are always those kind of dynamics at every workplace when there are different races and ethnic groups. As far as Chiefs are concerned, we do not distinguish according to race. If there's such in our system, we will root it out and we will be very scathing about it. All the players are treated the same and all our employees are equal. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.